Okay guys, here's an update on the Caltrain graveyard of F40s and gallery cars. You see 914 and 91 are still pulling the gallery cars back there that have graffiti on them. Here's 911 San Carlos, still in the same place, and there's 904 Palo Alto, and there's 903, which had its engine parts blown out. These soon will be going to Peru. And 904 had its engine bay open, I guess, to collect spare parts. And here's 903. And here's a hint. As you know, it's missing one of its ditch lights. That ditch light, you probably remember, was used as a spare, as a parts for 902. Well, 903 had its engine parts blown out. So basically, if you remember what happened to 902, it got into an accident that caused it to lose one of its ditch lights. So that ditch light right there was the one that was used as a parts unit for 902. And 903 was immediately retired after its engine parts blown out. And yet there's a blue and green logo as part of the original Caltrain livery on 903. And 906 has been moved to the front, and look, boy, that is very rusty right there. That's a lot of rust on that. All them are deactivated and soon to be shipped to Peru. There's 916. And 907 is right behind it, and there's 912. There's 909 with one of its numbers still tucked in. The other number is out already. There's 908. Second to last F40 to depart from SF 4th and King last year in September. 909 was the last F4 to depart 4th and King before electrification, full transition to electrification to electric trains. Of course, the F40s right there are still 902, 900, and 913 in the background, just right over there. And you can see 902 in the background with 903's ditch light on the right. And over here in the front row, 3 rows of F40s that was last used on the South County corridor. There's 915 right here. South San Francisco. And then there's 917 Gilroy. The last of the original EMD F40s. And there's 917. And there's the last of the original F40s, 918. County of San Mateo. And of course, in the back are 919 and 910, the parts unit.